Kirsten, and in today's video we're going to be doing a new challenge that I kind of haven't really seen on the internet yet. This challenge is where you take a whole bunch of that Halloween makeup that you find at like Walmart or Target and kind of try to transform it into your own look using all that stuff that you have and only that stuff. Okay, so hopefully you guys can tell that my setup is a little bit different. It's a little bit more light on the side, and I hope it's better quality for you guys. And I'm sorry for the audio. I'm sure the audio is really bad right now. I actually moved my YouTube space into a separate room I have in my house, and I will be doing a beauty tour, so please thumbs up the video if you want me to do that as soon as possible. So yeah, it's a little echoey right now. There's not that much furniture in here yet, but I really wanted to film something for you guys, and I think this would be really fun and really cute. So if you want to see how this video turns out and if this look actually comes out halfway decent, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I brought you guys in a little bit closer. So basically, stuff that I got at Walmart, and you can find this in like the Halloween section. I actually went there and I got this at CVS actually, and it's actually really good value. So I got this kind of super value kit. Basically, it comes with like a sponge, blood, and then like this little palette thing, and then like a black, green, and a white cream paint, and then like some glitter and like some sponges and stuff like that. So I feel like that would be like really good to like kind of use for like, you know, the colors part of it. I also got, so with that today, I was kind of thinking doing something a little bit more vampire-ish, because there's blood in there, there's white cream paint, there's red cream paint, and yeah, so I was figuring vampire. Why not do a vampire, right? So I know that's very cliche, but I figure a vampire would be kind of fun to kind of spruce up the series a little bit. So I figure a vampire would be really cool, and I'm sure they have like a bunch of cute kits and stuff like that at like Walmart and stuff like that. So basically I went to Walmart today and I tried to look at a few kits that I could use to create a look. And I found this little vampirist makeup. It comes with the fangs, and it comes with red crayon, purple crayon, black crayon, and like white cream paint, again like a little grease paint. And they had a bigger kit, but I figured this would be good enough since I have the other one. And so I also got for the vampire, vampire blood, and it also has these little tattoos that look like little bite marks and stuff like that. So I figure, and more blood, so I figure why not use that as well. I also got a black cream paint, and I got a white cream paint just in case we like run out or whatever. And then I have these Wet n Wild like little paint pots, and then I have like red lipstick and stuff like that. So let's get started. Alright, so basically I kind of have like a gist of what like a vampire looks like, obviously. I think I'm gonna do like dark eye. I'm gonna do like a vampirist look, so it's kind of gonna be like not too gruesome, not too ugly. So I think I'm gonna do like something a little bit like cute. So I'm gonna do like a red lip, some blood dripping down, the fangs, probably like a smoky eye. And then just like my hair slicked back, probably like either like this, or I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm gonna look up some things on Google. I really recommend looking up inspiration, because it's seriously, it's easier to do stuff with inspiration. So I'm just gonna look up vampirist Halloween makeup ideas. So the first thing that comes up is this YouTuber. I don't know, that looks like crazy. So I'm gonna look up, see, I don't want to do nothing gruesome like that. I just kind of want to do something basic, because I don't really know how much we could do with this super value set from CVS and Walmart. But let's see. So you can see that there's some inspiration here, and a lot of them are like pretty gruesome. So you can basically like get the gist and then like make your own look out of whatever you want. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do like something like this, just like something simple. So I'm gonna open this super kit up. All right, so first we're gonna start out with the cream makeup. Okay, well. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a foundation that's lighter than the one that I actually use. If you guys don't have this, you can just use the cream white paint, honestly, because apparently that's how it's gonna work. And then I'm just gonna add probably like a dot of white inside of it. Yeah, it's like coming off completely. Okay, so I have a clean canvas. I have no moisturizer on, no nothing. So basically my skin is nice and dry and hopefully good to go. So we're gonna start, and we're actually gonna take the Wet n Wild paint pot. You can find these paint pots at Walmart as well. I just don't want to use the cream makeup for this because I feel like it's just gonna move around very easily. So I'm just gonna take the paint pot, open that. All right, so I feel like the paint pot's gonna be a little bit easier to kind of like dab on our skin. So we're also gonna be using that sponge that it came with in that big kit. So we're just gonna be dabbing that in there, kind of fluffing that around.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so now that I kind of covered my body all in the white, I think we look like a vampire now. Now with like a small little brush, kind of like a flat brush like this, I'm gonna take it and dip it in there for the concealer, and I'm just gonna pat it right underneath the eyes. Okay, so now that we really look white and really look dead, so there's no powder in that kit, so we're gonna have to work with the creams. And I'm gonna do a little bit of kind of contouring, but it's kind of gonna be more trying to chisel your bones in a little bit, you know what I'm saying? All right, so with like a eyeshadow kind of flat brush that I don't really care about, I'm just gonna dip kind of in that black and a little bit in the gray. And we're gonna go right where we would contour. And we're gonna bring it down, so that we look very dead, chiseled, you know. And we're gonna do some on our collarbones as well. And then we're gonna use that sponge again, and we're gonna pat it in. Okay, so for eyebrows, we're gonna take a eyebrow brush, and we're gonna dip right into that black, and we're gonna do black for our eyebrows. Okay, so now that the browsies are done, so we still don't have any eyeshadow, so we're gonna kind of use a flat shader brush, and we're gonna go into that black, and we're gonna go all over the lid, and then I'm gonna take that other side and attempt to blend it out a little. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. There's people doing yard work. Okay, so now that that's all said and done, I think we're pretty much done with like the face part, and we just have to do the lips. So for the lips, we're just gonna be using a red lipstick, or you could even use that red in that palette. So that's that. I look like a ventriloquist actually. I actually don't even look like a vampire. So hopefully this vampire blood kit thing kind of helps me out a little bit. Actually, we're actually gonna apply the little tattoo thingies. So I'm gonna take that out of the package. so I need scissors and I need wet things, so I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back and, okay. So, I'm going to have to alcohol the area because there's makeup on it and the tattoo's not going to stick. So I'm just taking some, let's see where to put it. Should I put it? I'll probably put it on this side. So I'll just alcohol this. We got a nice clean surface. I'm gonna stick that right on there. And then with a wet face cloth, we're gonna hold this down. Ooh, yes, honey. This is probably the only good thing that actually just came out of that kit, because, yeah. But anywho's, so I'm just gonna put some mascara on real quick. So now, blood. I think it's blood. I think blood's the next part. So I'm gonna take this little blood that came with the thing, and I'm gonna take that. It's a little cover, which is nice. Alright, so we'll see how messy this gets, but I'm gonna kind of drip it down from here, kind of onto my neck. That was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a little difficult. These things are not, I can see why they're cheap. You get what you pay for. Obviously, we learned from the end of this that you can't just use this palette or this kind of cream makeup set to create a look. You need a little bit more of something. Like mascara, you need powder, you need different things to create different looks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, if you want me to do some other ones, and they're actually really fun to film, so if you guys want me to show you some other ones and do some other ones, then please let me know. But yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.